Hi, my name is Mehul Anand and I lead the food and beverage business for Uber Advertising. I have been with Uber since 2021, helping brands and agencies build their media and commerce strategies and helping them leverage the Uber Eats platform to maximize their reach in the retail media space. Uber is more than just a ride-sharing app. We also have the Uber Eats business that primarily started with the restaurant food delivery in 2014. And over the years, we have launched grocery, convenience, and alcohol delivery as well, really building out a growcohol vision. We have 137 million monthly active platform consumers, which is a 12% increase year over year, driven by the continuous improvement in the consumer activity on our mobility side and the strong demand from our delivery offerings as well. Globally, our trips have now reached 2.3 billion, which is a 22% increase year over year with both mobility as well as delivery trips. And that breaks down to approximately 25 million trips a day. And that is how deeply embedded we are in the lives of our users. The typical Uber user is a net new younger audience. They over-index between the age groups of 18 to 34, Gen Zs and millennials, educated working professionals with high disposable income. Approximately 85% of them are the main people responsible for grocery shopping in their households. Uber currently operates in more than 10,000 cities in approximately 70 countries in 6 continents, and we're continuing to grow. The Uber Eats business is live in 30 countries, and our retail media offering is today available across the United States, Canada, France, and Australia, with United Kingdom and some Latin American markets like Chile and Mexico as a fast follow. Naturally, every geography is different, and these local nuances are reflected on the platform as well. But one thing that remains constant no matter where we go across the globe is a consumer's trust in using Uber as the go anywhere and get anything platform, which allows our CPG partners to reach out to these high intent shoppers in the right moment. So for example, after a name was dropped in a viral TikTok video, the Negroni Spargolito with Prosecco became the hottest drink of the fall. And we saw that ingredients such as Campari, Vermouth, and Prosecco saw an increase in sales on the platform. In fact, when our friends at Drizzly, which is an Uber company, dug through their data, they saw that Campari in particular saw a dramatic bump in share of sales, close to 75% during that time period. We shared these insights with our advertisers that enables them to lean into these trends and better inform their marketing strategies. Today is not about just the delivery of an impression, but also the quality of the impression that is being delivered. But through Uber's rich first-party data, we can personalize ads based on a user's current activity. So for example, we know if a user is going to the airport for a business or a leisure trip, are they going back home from work after a long day, or are they in the middle of their next grocery or restaurant delivery order? We can track all of them in real time, or we can also build audience cohorts based on past user behavior. Our team is currently working with the top CPG brands who are live and actively testing on our platform in partnership with Criteo. We are seeing a positive response with ROAS ranging upwards of 500% based on the category and seasonality. We're opening up more surfaces in more markets as we speak, and we're excited to help our partners drive results and grow within the commerce ecosystem, whether it is in North America or globally. I think in general, the retail media landscape is expanding. We're kind of seeing a lot of standardization happening in retail media with IAB coming out with standardization a lot faster than we ever saw in traditional media happening before, which is testament to how quickly this space has been growing. I think for Uber, the sponsored product placements is a big bet, and we are going to continue to see a lot more expansion, a lot more surfaces, and a lot more scale coming out on that front. And we will be giving our advertisers more ways to quickly access and self-serve and have access to different formats on the platform.